In this section, you will learn how to create a customer in PEASx. Before you create a sales invoice, you must create a customer. Go to the menu bar on the top of the screen. Click Ledgers. Select Create New Ledgers. A new window will open. PEASx follows all the accounting rules so that you can generate all accounting related reports effortlessly. All your customers and suppliers will be listed as a ledger in your book of accounts. In ledger name, enter the name of the customer and press enter. Now alias. Alias is some other name of the customer by which you identify the customer. You may leave this field empty. Now ledger group. Type data. When you type in this field, you can see that you are suggested the groups. You can select the group by pressing down arrow key. Select sundry debtor. Your customers will be listed as sundry debtor and your suppliers will be listed as sundry creditor. Select sundry debtor and press enter. Some other ledger related options are asked here. Leave all the fields with default value and keep pressing enter key until you reach the opening balance. If you have any old transaction, you can enter the value in this field. Press enter. In this field you can see that ADR is written. DR means debit. If you have to receive an amount from the customer, it should be DR. Now press enter and move to save. Now another window will open. In this window you enter the address, city, state, phone number and other informations about the customer. If the customer has a GST number, you can enter it here. You can enter the PAN number, sales tax number and CST number here. Move to save when you have entered all the necessary information. The window will be closed after the data is saved successfully. Now you can see that your customer is listed in your software. Go to menu bar on the top of the screen. Select debtors and creditors. You can see that your customer is listed with all your informations and you are ready to make a sale. Thank you.